What do you like about your job?
It's in the best in the whole world.
He killed many people and threw them in here. A lot of drug planes are landing here and doing stuff like that. Ah, watch it. Ah, see the foot?
Start, we're on front side.
So they're pulling it here, and because it weighs.
Vela, Karin Strang hierheen. No. Die hond, trek in de deur, trek in de deur.
Even thinking about it. Make sure you put it over the wire.
Yeah.
Wow. It got a little bit of blood, but it's gonna heal, and they're gonna have to fix the broken foot. And we're gonna put it in this trailer right here.
Everything was in video.
Boom. And this is the broken foot that they're trying to fix. Veterinary, the doctor.
Yeah. We are
Okay.
own doctors.
You're the doctor.
Whatever it needs, we're gonna put it.
So what are you guys gonna do with this one?
For infection.
Okay.
Yesterday we put it. Yeah.
And what about the horse? Are you gonna put the horse in the trailer?
Yes, later. We'll take off the car first.
Okay. I mean, how long have you been doing this for? Because you're so quick.
Years from small.
It's from small.
Yeah, I still work.
But you're a cowboy from a boy? From a young boy, you're a cowboy.
Oh yes.
But these are new cowboys.
Yeah, I started from like 3 years ago.
And you teach them how to, are you the
no.
teacher?
He teaches.
Oh, he's the real cowboy.
Yeah.
It's number one.
He's number one. Who's number two?
Number two. I'm 0.
If this happened to a big bull, you have to kill.
Oh yes.
So what do? You shoot, or how do you kill?
We care to select the house. We have special place where to kill.
Ah, so if it's a big one, it will not heal. It will not fix.
That's happened sometimes.
Okay.
And you lose. Sometimes you buy a pretty bull, $5,000. And then later you have to go to care for sheep. I'm quite a tea with the honestly what you bought. You bad.
I guess a pickup is really necessary in this area. I hope we don't get stuck. Like, where are you most happy doing?
I am very happy when I'm in the back here.
Okay,
I'm so happy when I am in my farm.
okay. And then seeing all these cows
That's interesting.
to you.
To me, it's my life.
And what were you doing 5 years before? Like, how was it? How did every
Nothing.
day?
5 years before we were staying very poor. My father, he don't have nothing. All this land, that's what we are renting. Here even, it's for us. We're renting like 600 acres.
600 acres.
Yes.
And how is the water situation? Do you guys have enough water?
We have a lagoon here that we take water way on the other side of the highway. I will show you. We have a pipe here that we open for water from here to the next side of the highway, going through the bridge.
Okay. So you guys never have a water problem?
No, if you have a dry season, then we just open the well that
Yeah.
we have here by the lagoon.
Okay.
And water go all the way down the drains.
Yeah.
Up to the next side. We go to the next side, I will show you. Anek, en je hond. Vi gaan nu doen een kroonfarm waar we opschieten dan.
How important is the horses to this job?
It's the most important that we need in this job here, the horses.
The horses.
More than a vehicle. Yeah.
More than the vehicle is the
More
horses.
than a vehicle is here.
And that's the laguna.
Yeah, that's the lagoon. Right there, people go and fish.
Oh, what about swimming?
It's crocodiles, big crocodiles in there.
But is it fresh water or?
Very fresh. You can dive, but the crocodile is in there like 20 feet.
Oh.
20 feet long crocodile.
And do some people die or they never swim?
You know what? I'll tell you something. Mr. Old Cotter, when he owned this here years ago, he killed many people and threw them in here. Here, you know what? You want? I keep going here. This lagoon water. This water reach all the way down to the other side. We go to the other side. We'll close it right now because we don't need necessary for water right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
It's don't laugh at me. Come on.
How do you like this life?
I mean, I like to see it, but I don't know if I like to live. Maybe if I'm the owner, maybe it's fine. But to be a worker is not easy.
For me, it's easy.
It's for you, it's easy.
Yeah.
And why is it what makes it easy? Because you have experience?
Just to work every time hard, have experience, and that's the way how we work.
What did you do before? What was your job before cowboy?
Carpenter.
Oh, so you already did hard
We
work.
left in carpenter.
Yes.
Absolutely, and now we're going into the farming.
And the carpenter business and the ranching business, which one is the most profitable?
Ranching.
Is it nicer having the driver, or is it nicer?
No, I like the driver.
I see. I see. And it's good for him because he makes the money for his children and for his wife and family.
That's my good friend, you know.
Yeah.
Like this, I pay him 150 a day.
Okay.
That's wherever I go 150. I just put in the gas.
Yes.
So he charged me 150 a day.
Yes.
Belize dollar.
Yes.
Then whatever gas he burn, I pay for it.
Okay.
It's easier for me because then I go anywhere I want.
So they're gonna put the horse here. So they're gonna have to pick this one up. And how old is this?
From yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Wow. And you guys are gonna take it where? To the mom?
This is an airstrip starting from here way to the end.
For the airplanes?
And for the airplanes, because this airstrip, they used to use it when Qatar was in life.
Yeah.
A lot of drugs planes are landing here and doing stuff like that.
But what about today?
Then the British put an eye on it in the end. If anything come down, they can see and they catch it.
Wow. And where did the drugs come from? Colombia? And then it goes to Mexico, then the United States.
Yeah.
So what they're gonna do now is they're gonna get a big bull here and they're gonna transport it.
We have Scotiabank here on this side.
You guys have a bank?
Scotiabank is right there.
Does it have an ATM?
Have ATM.
Okay.
Yeah.
And does it accept Visa or MasterCard?
MasterCard only.
Okay.
Only MasterCard.
That's good.
See, this is a scale here.
Okay, so
Put a scale here.
this is the skill you're gonna.
Put the hookah scale here.
Yes.
And then we weigh the clothes in here.
They were taking that long.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Let's go.
Is this one of the ones that you paid 8,000 for?
Never, never, never. This one looked very ugly for 8,000.
Okay.
I can show you the special one for 8,000. Let's go.
Okay. Now, if you sell this today, what is the price?
By this time is like, I would say like $150, Belize.
Belize. That's the value.
We only go by pound.
You only go. Oh,
But this is from the new Brahma that we have, that we bought from the American Brahma,
okay.
from the $8,000.
Okay. So this is a good like breed.
Good breed, this.
Okay, and you want to keep it and make it bigger and bigger.
Yes.
And when will you sell? At what age?
8 months.
8 months. You will sell.
Yeah. Just mind it out. Sometimes they come and bite.
So they can jump onto here
No, they will never jump here, but they will jump on the side of the vehicle.
and try to bite.
Yeah.
Because these are guard dogs.
Yeah.
And that's the mom? Ah, wow. So they're gonna release the 2 cows, the females, and they're gonna get the bull. They're gonna keep the bull. I don't think the bull belongs to them.
Hey, aber das war nicht oben, das war was hier rein.
Wow. So, and this is the bull. I always thought the bulls have the horns, but the bulls don't have the horns. William, I thought the bull, they have the big horns.
Hey, home, let that hot book and TV right back on. What are you doing happening? Buddy? I'm going back to the Yeah. What are happening?
So they're using the tractor to pull the cart, and the cart they're gonna go get the horses or the cows that escaped and send it back to where it originally was.
Of all I hear on book.
I never knew Mennonites were this cool. Like the whole day I have been with them and they're showing me how they live, how they work, and I am thankful to William and his brothers, John, Courtney, all of them, France, and of course Nate from Hotel de la Fuente. I'm really thankful to them for giving me this experience and getting a chance to meet all these people. I'm noticing they have an iron wheel. The wheels are iron.
Yes.
Why?
Religion.
Religion. But is it better than the rubber? Is it better quality?
Yes.
How long does it last?
Lifetime.
Really? You'd never need to change. But it's more expensive, right? To buy is more expensive.
Little bit, not much.
What's causing this problem? Is it the is it fence issues? Is it fencing?
No. That always happened when we were taking off calves.
Ah, okay.
Then the mothers, they tried to finding back their calves.
Yeah.
Then jump in the fence.
They caught it. The Mennonite Cowboys got the cows, and wow, look at the amazing work he's doing. I don't want to get too close to disturb the cows or frighten the cow. So they're gonna try to put this into this cart here. And man, these cowboys have been working for an hour. They've been working so hard trying to get this down and in. If you are liking these Mennonite videos, click on the like button, subscribe, and share. Let's go see how they're going to put the cow inside the trailer. It took a while, but the great cowboys did the job. They got the job done. They're getting the rope off.
Do you will forget us?
Never.
Never. The way we treat you?
The best.
All right.
Okay, you're a cowboy, right?
Yes.
What do you like about your job?
It is in the best in the whole world.
Why?
Because that is my interest in my life.
Horses and cows.
The best.
What did you do before?
Before carpenter.
And how did you think about carpenter?
Baddest in the world.
But you love this,
This is the best.
and you hope to continue this.
I would like just to produce more and more.